Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word depiction. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The artist's depiction of the sunset was so vivid, it felt like you could reach out and touch the colors. Depiction refers to the act of depicting or representing something, often in a visual or artistic form, to portray and convey a specific idea, image, or scenario. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.